Hello everybody, welcome to Matt's Cookhouse, where I share easy to cook recipes. Got some idlis left over? Rustle up a quick, easy and lip smacking idli 65 that is loved by kids and adults alike. To begin, cut the idlis into quarters or bite-sized pieces depending on the size. I have taken 5 idlis for this recipe. Mix together 2 tablespoons curd, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon cumin powder jeera, and 1 tablespoon rice flour. Mix well. Add in the idli pieces and gently mix until well coated. Keep aside. Heat oil for deep frying. Add the idlis in batches on high heat. Reduce the flame and fry until they are golden. Remove and keep aside. For the tempering, heat 2 tablespoons of sesame oil in a pan. Add in 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, sarson, and allow them to crackle. Add half a teaspoon fennel seeds, saunf, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic chopped, and 1-inch piece of ginger chopped. Cook for a minute. Add in a sprig of curry leaves and 2 to 3 slit green chilies. Mix. Next, add in 3 tablespoons curd and mix well. Now add in the dry masalas, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon cumin powder jeera, 1 teaspoon coriander powder dhania, and quarter teaspoon turmeric powder haldi. Saute. Do not let the masala burn. Add in the idlis and mix until well coated. The idli 65 is ready to serve. Garnish with fried curry leaves and green chilies. For more such recipes, follow me at Matt's Cookhouse and be sure to like, share and subscribe.